पसंद हमेशा दिल से होती है और दिल को क्या भा जाएगा ये दिल भी नहीं जानता। इस शो के साथ भी यही हुआ कि जब खुशी आई तो खुशी सनाया ईरानी नहीं थी, वो एक ऐसी लड़की थी जो लखनऊ से आई हुई लो मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, जीवन की लड़ाई में हंसते हंसते, देखिए रोना बहुत आसान है लेकिन किसी बड़े डायरेक्टर ने बोला है कि हंसना, लोगों को हंसाना बहुत मुश्किल है। खुशी एक ऐसी किरदार होगी जो जिंदा है, जीती है और लाखों लड़कियों में जीती है, उसमें वो मादा है। तो हज़ार क्या लाखों लड़कियां रिलेट करती हैं कि मैं खुशी जैसी हूँ, मैं खुशी जैसी बनूँ, या वो हंसते हंसते गुदगुदाते मुश्किल से मुश्किल बात से निकल जाती है। तो वो एक पॉइंट है जो लोगों को अच्छा लगता है, रोते नहीं रहना है। एंड सेम थिंग अर्नव एक ऐसा किरदार लगता है, एक ऐसा शख्स है जो अंदर अपने उसमें कैद है, बट उसके अंदर खुशी की चॉइस का एक बंदा है जो बाहर आना है, बट वो बाहर आते आते अंदर जाता है। तो लोगों के अंदर कसक होती है। आपने सुना कृष्ण और राधा का कि राधा और कृष्ण के प्रेम में अगर वो मिल जाते तो शायद लोगों को इतना कभी अच्छा नहीं, कोई भी लव स्टोरी में कभी भी कोई भी दोनों जो प्रेमी प्रेमिका है वो मिल नहीं पाते, उनका मिलन नहीं होता है और लोगों को ये पॉइंट अच्छा लगता है। ये वो तत्व है जो अट्रैक्ट करता है आपको, कविता में, शायरी में, गीत में। हमेशा ऐसे गीत, हमेशा ऐसी शायरी अच्छी लगती है दिल को। तो हमारे खुशी और अर्नव एक गीत, एक शायरी, एक कविता है जो बार बार जाते हैं नज़दीक और बार बार दूर चले जाते हैं। और मुझे लगता है यही वो केमिस्ट्री है, यही वो रिलेशन है दोनों का जो लोगों को लगता है हाय प्लीज़ मिलवा दो, और फिर जब मिलने जाते हैं फिर अरे यार ये फिर बिछड़ गए, फिर वो बात, ये वो खेल है जो शायद लोगों को अच्छा लगता है।
और आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है अर्नव और खुशी को?
दोनों बहुत किरदार वाइज मैंने कहा ना, यही मैं भी तो दर्शक
की तरफ। अच्छा,
मैं भी तो दर्शक हूँ, मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि दरअसल सच्ची बताएं अभी शो में खुशी, बुआ जी, गरिमा, पहलिया, एवरीबडी करेक्टर, जितने किरदार हैं सब जिंदा हो गए। हम सब कितनी बार बात करते हैं, हम स्क्रिप्ट आती है वो राइटर लिखता है और हम लोग ऐसे बात करते हैं कि अरे ऐसे कैसे हम ऐसे बोलेंगे, हम ये सोच रहे हैं क्योंकि हम सब अपने किरदारों में जिंदा हो गए हैं, सहज हो गए हैं। हमें लगता ही नहीं कि हम कुछ भूमिका अदा कर रहे हैं। हमें ऐसे लगता है अगर हम बाहर निकलें, मुझे कितनी बार फ़ोन आते हैं, मुझे कितनी बार लोग कहते हैं कि हमारे घरों में एक ऐसी बुआ जी है आप, और मुझे सच्ची में अब एक्टिंग नहीं करनी पड़ती। मुझे ऐसे लगता है मैं किसी एक बुजुर्ग महिला को याद करती हूँ, वो ऐसे ही करती थी, वो ऐसे ही बोलती थी, तो अपने आप वो पैदा हो जाती है। और सारे किरदारों में यही चीज़ है कि केमिस्ट्री पैदा हो गई है। तो सब एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं, हम लोग एक फैमिली के जैसे हैं और आपस में बहुत प्यार है और भगवान करिए प्यार बना रहे और लोगों को अच्छा लगता है।
थैंक यू।
आपके भाई ने ऑर्डर में बेवकूफ़ी की तो हम क्या करें?
थोड़ा ऊपर है।
Did you guys know each other before you started shooting for this show? No.
For this show?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so what was your first impression and how has it changed over the last?
Oh crap!
First impression of Varun? Well, I thought he was some guy who came from America and wanted to act, and I was like, oh my god, disaster has struck. But it changed.
Not much for me.
He's nothing like an American.
My first time I met Sanaya was
It's gonna be bad, guys.
no, it's not gonna be bad. But it's gonna be funny when I'm around. We were at a look test together the first time. Okay, so now a lot of girls who act have this tendency of in case something goes wrong with whatever they're doing, so they tend to throw it around a little. So We got talking the same day about that. Later. So I was like, so you meet someone new, you don't want to offend them or this, and I was like, can you do that? Can you do it? Do this? Can you do that? Can you do this? Yeah, okay, from. But
I still do that. I still do that.
later, it didn't change. It never changed. The perception. No. I just remember being very careful because I am around people the first time, and the first impression that I had of her was that she's a good actor. Because at that time we were, going through the shortlisting, which was चल रहा था इनका, and I had to do a lot of look tests. Not a lot of them were good, but the one with her was good.
Oh, that's sweet. You never told me that.
I told Nisar that. Yeah.
You have ever been told.
Couldn't I put my chewing gum here as it grows?
If you wouldn't have said it, no one would have known.
Okay.
Ooh. I would take you around the world and show you every place that you want to see.
You take your wife around the world.
She's giving me the $1 million. Did you hear?
Give him chocolate? He doesn't like chocolate.
No, take it back home. My wife loves them. I'll also have some.
I don't exercise.
She does walk a couple of times in a day.
I do. I get, yeah.
Whenever she has to get to the set or back room.
Yeah, I do.
I don't fear making mistakes. I have fun.
I dream actually. It's weird to say it, but I want
She's
to
lying in the
marry.
bed.
I want to marry a cop and have an affair with a masseuse. That's like the perfect combination.
How would you wriggle out of a situation if someone tries to emotionally blackmail?
Just deny. Just deny. If you accept it one time, it's gonna happen to you all your life. This is what she does to me all the time. But you really इतना नहीं करेगा?
I think I would get emotionally blackmailed.
I know.
You have something to say?
I just declined one of the emotional blackmails, so she मेरे को सुना रही है ये बात. Yeah, I would just get emotionally blackmailed.
That's true. If every time he went to school, he'd lose one and go back home. Was that you?
Yeah. Mom was very upset with me in
Spend
childhood.
a lot of time with each other.
Yeah.
So if you have to describe Sanaya in a word or a sentence, what would that be?
That is going to be very tough to explain in one word.
Okay, one sentence.
You just have to be here, share the joy and sorrows. It really is not possible. I mean, to anyone, but she's a wonderful person is all I can say. Since I have to get back into that area with her and shoot again.
And what's
not to get killed.
Sanaya, what if you have to describe Varun? What would you be? What would you
He's
say?
fun.
Okay.
Why couldn't I think of that? Okay.
So you try it.
Because I'm not fun.
Happens. I mean, if the scenes are good, you.
I really enjoyed that scene where I had to like yell at Barun and then attack him. Remember? After that, like when I was like,
Oh yeah, I love that too.
Yeah, that was fun because like yelling is so me, and like I was like,
Yeah, she didn't really have to act.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you think binds them together? Arnab and Khushi.
The
The
script.
script.
Wow. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem at all. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So everyone, thanks a lot. We got your messages. Me and Sanaya both, and we're surely gonna go through them. I just want to thank you guys for making such an effort for watching our show and posting comments and stuff of that sort. Just thank you so much for watching this show. So Amy, Haley, Fatima Akhtar, Nikita, Fatima. Why did you cut that name?
No, that was wrong. I spelled it wrong.
Okay. Did you do that correctly here?
Yeah.
What is
that's Gausia.
Gausia, and that is Maria,
Shirish.
Shirish, Farha, Habiba, Prija, Laila. And she named it. And I just want to ask you something. Anne, Haley, and Ria, Jennifer. Are these aliens?
ये रब्बा है अच्छा ये आसमानी रंग है
सारे एक्टर्स ने इंडस्ट्री के लिए बड़ा मजा आता है। इस वीडियो में लाइटिंग बहुत अच्छी है, मेरे को ये पसंद है। अच्छे शॉट्स पकड़ेगा ना लेकिन।
हाँ Neha, हाँ as you show them they can also say what they liked about the video, so as they
देखा तो ऐसे पता नहीं कहाँ से। ये अच्छा, आई लव द शॉट एंड दिस यार बहुत सही शॉट चूज किए हैं या हमारे शो में लेती है अच्छे शॉट अर्शद सर।
चलो रेडी आप बुला लो।
Hi Varun and Akshay, welcome to Rangmanch TV yet again.
Thank you.
We're doing this segment where we will tell you a line and you must tell us what it means when people from the industry say this. We are very good friends.
I don't know what that means for other people.
We are very good friends.
Yeah.
Let's take a break.
Okay, should we? Okay.
Come back!
Oh.
What is it?
Silence. Action exercise. सना को छोड़ देना, सना को छोड़ देना। ये देखा तूने?
वरुण से डायलॉग अरुण अरे एसी चला दूं या मैं सर ऑटोमेटिक वो तो बोल दिया
And वरुण enter करा, देखा? वरुण enter. Look at them. They are talking while it's wait. They are talking. You are waiting for them to finish. A little awkward. And in Sanaja. Roll पानी डालो.
रोलिंग सर
Rolling and action. What?
हमारे दामाद हैं।
If one falls down, then how many remain? There are 60. Yeah, they asked me. I gave my answer. There are 60 cups on the table. One falls down. How many remain? There are 60 cups on the table.
अरे यार मैं भी ना सच्ची।
Welcome on the show, Mr. Arshad Khan. Okay.
To Rangmanch.tv.
Welcome to Rangmanch.tv. I'm going to ask you a few questions. That's Arshad, by the way. He's the guy who directs our show. So all the, the good stuff. Okay. Okay, I'm going to ask you a few questions, okay? So I'm going to give you this one as consolation. There are 60 cups on a table. If one falls down, how many remain?
5.
Okay, that does not mean that he's very intelligent. I've shared this with him already. I'm second.
Correct.
She's one.
Correct.
Second. Very tricky people these. No. क्या दोबारा? यार ये शॉट रेडी है, मैं प्रेशर में आ गया हूँ. एक सेकंड.
बोलो. Give up? Give up?
No. मैं एक सेकंड कट करूँ ना, मैं शॉट करके आते हैं हम लोग.
Do you want to do this?
हाँ. No, I don't want to give up.
Okay.
Do the shot and come back.
Okay.